Hello students, how are you today? I hope that you are doing great. In this lesson, we will learn about the meaning of division and how to use division sign. So let us look at this example to understand what is the meaning of division. 6 toys are shared equally among 3 children. So, we want to make sure that each child gets equal number of toys as the other. So, you can see that we have 6 toys. Okay, so now we can get this one, we give it to this child. This one, we give it to this one. This one, we give it to this one. So, we have given away 3 toys. So, we have given away 3 toys and we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 toys left. Okay? Now also, let us again give this toy to this child. We give this toy to this child and we give this toy to this child. You see? Now, each child has 2 toys. Okay? Now, since we have given away 3 toys, let us take away 3 from 3. Okay? And we remain with 0. So, all toys have been given away. And you can see that each child gets 2 toys. Each child gets each child gets 2 toys. Okay? Now, we will look at another example to understand more about the meaning of division. So, in example 2, Mrs. Neal divides 12 notebooks equally between 2 students, Peter and Ravi. You can see this word equally. It means that after dividing, Peter and Ravi must have same number of notebooks. So we have Peter and Ravi. Now we will take away 2 notebooks from 12 and we give 1 book to Peter and 1 book to Ravi. After that, we take away 2 more notebooks. We give 1 to Peter and 1 to Ravi. Then we take away 2 notebooks. We give 1 to Peter and 1 to Ravi. We take away 2 notebooks. We give 1 book to Peter and 1 book to Ravi. We take away 2 notebooks. 1 is given to Peter, 1 to Ravi. And finally, we take away 2 notebooks, 1 for Peter and 1 for Ravi. Now, you can see that after dividing, each student gets 6 notebooks. So each student gets 6 notebooks. And you can see that they all have the same number of notebooks. So this is what we call division. After dividing each student, you can see that he has got the same number of books. Okay? Now, we can also show this in a subtraction number sentence. So, you see that we have got 12 notebooks. See, we can say minus 2, and then minus 2, and then minus 2, then minus 2, then minus 2, and minus 2, such that we will get 0. You see that? So you can see that we have how many sixes? How many twos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And even here you can see that each student has got 6 notebooks. Okay? Now, we can show this in a division number sentence as 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, in this division sentence, 12, we call it dividend. Okay? 12 is called dividend. 2 is called divisor. Divisor. And 6 is called quotient. Quotient. Okay? So you can repeat after me. Dividend. Dividend. Divisor. Divisor. Quotient. Quotient. Okay? So, quotient is the result of division, or the answer that you get after dividing. Okay? So, we read this as 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. I believe that you have understood this very well. So, now 12 divided by 2 equals 6. This one, we call it a division number sentence. This is division number sentence. We say 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay? Now, this one, we read it as divided by. Divided by. And we call it the division sign. We read it as divided by, and it stands for division. Okay? So now, student, I want you to think. from what we have seen in our lesson of today, what is division? What is division? Okay, that's great. Division is the way we share or group objects equally. Okay? We emphasize the word equally. When you are dividing, let's say by 2, each group must have an equal number of objects. Okay? So after dividing, each group will have the same number of items. I hope that really you understand this very well. Now, let us do some practice. Circle groups of 3. Fill in the boxes. Circle groups of 3. Fill in the boxes. So now, let us circle groups of 3 objects. 1, 2, 3. We circle this part. 1, 2, 3. We circle this part. 1, 2, 3. Then we circle this part. So you can see that we have got 3 groups of 3 items. You see, these are 3 groups, and altogether you can see we have got 9. Okay, so 9, if we take away 3, we will remain with 6, and 6 we take away 3, we remain with 3, and now 3 we take away 3, we remain with 0. You see, now this is a subtraction sentence, but now this subtraction sentence can be converted into a division sentence by having 9 divided by 3. Okay, and 9 divided by 3, we can already see that we will get 3 groups. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So therefore, there are 3 groups of 3. Okay, now I want you to go to page 87 of your textbook, page 87, and do more practice about the meaning of division and how we can use a division sign. So once you finish, you take a picture of your work and send it to our group line. In the next lesson, we will look at division without remainders. Thank you for watching and have a good day.